What's going down, y'all? It's your boy Raz, man. We back with another one on the way I see it. Man, I thought I was done for the night. I ain't gonna lie to you, but I just came across something I damn near don't think I would have ever seen in a thousand years. Like, I never in my wildest dreams could have pictured uh One Big's Don doing a collab with Andrew Tate. I seen Andrew Tate react to I think the Boy Affy, like Boy Affy. I think he reacted to the what was it, the freestyle? It wasn't the actual song. I think it was the freestyle. And just in it, like he was listening to some of his lyrics and comment on it, like the Buddy just talking about the ice on my wrist, cold as my fridge, or whatever little lines that he's throwing in there. But I noticed Andrew Tate like noticing those things and even being able to hear it, being able to catch up on it or pick up on it. But nonetheless, I was just listening to Marksman, as you could probably see in my search right there, and I came across this random ass fucking song that came out a week ago, and I didn't even think it was real. I'm not gonna lie. I clicked on it and well, you'll see. We gonna watch it. We're gonna watch it together. So let's get into it.
Damn. That's it. All I me. Top G. Girl, live in a fairy town, I see breathe. Top G in a Bugatti. We are tipping at the party. Cobra girl, I tell me say she want me. Richer than the every town, I feel look for me. Young I'm a sassy, see the fat round that they said.
Yeah. Yo, so that's what made me react to this. Because when I first clicked on it, I was like, all right, Biggs probably just came out with a song called it Top G. He probably saw Andrew Tate react to his video and was like, let me just make a song called Top G. Man, this motherfucker is singing the lyrics in the video. So it's official. Like, this is an official video. I mean, I guess. Yo, shout out to Andrew Tate for supporting, when he sees somebody putting in work, man. Because I think bro is getting a lot of hate. I do think some of the ways that he says what he's saying, first off, what he's saying is what men think. So let's just get that out the way. We don't even got a if, and, or but about that. Like, what he's saying is what 90%, if not 98% of men feel and think. That's first and foremost. Secondly, I just never pictured these two things coming together. But shout out to Andrew Tate for actually reaching out and giving somebody who may not have as big of an opportunity as Andrew Tate or people around him an opportunity. I'm sure Biggs is from Jamaica, and I'm sure being from Jamaica is probably not the easiest, as far as quality of life and financially, So shout out to somebody who mingles with billionaires around the world, giving just even a little bit of shine to somebody in such a remote part of the world themselves. So shout out to bro, man. I just want to throw that out there. And then, like I said, it's official. Like, bro he look a little drunk. I ain't gonna lie, but he probably gotta get a little bit drunk to just go on a trap dance hall video and start rapping some shit. Like, you feel me? You gotta be a little tipsy. So let's get into it. We see what they talking about.
Set up me, I'm them girls sucky, you she me cocky see them life your maddies, designer cashy, I'm everything, so me bill and rearrange meal. Yes, some money for my mind youth, and I never know funny but a tycoon. Well, I school and jaggy money that we like do. You a hate car, we no broke like you. Richness, I choose, check your hits, iTunes on the road like shoes, one crown. But Tate, mama bite them, a fight on a side, free rich from high school, gone with the league, give thanks in a life youth. Top G in a Bugatti, we are tipping at the party. Cobra girl, I tell me say she want me. Richer than the every town, I feel look for me. Young I'm a sassy, see the fat round that the sense of the palm me. I'm from girl, I sucky, you she name me cocky nasty.
Yeah. Yo, what's throwing me is that this motherfucker knows every lyric to this song. Like, yo, you could tell he been knocking it. And you know what, man? I don't think dancehall in itself and the new genres and all the subgenres of dancehall, I don't think they get enough recognition because it genuinely makes people feel better. Like, the type of music it is, and we've had so much negative music in the last damn near 10 years straight, like if not longer, has been negative music at the forefront of music. So it's refreshing to come across something that, even though they talking they shit, they talking about some gangster shit. At least it's somewhat hidden in a an upbeat, fun way. You know what I'm saying? Like the same way they used to do it back in the day. Like Ludacris might have been talking about doing whatever hood shit. You know what I'm saying? Still hood shit, but the way he did it made you feel like you wasn't listening to that. It made you feel like it made you feel good. And that's what I get out of trap dancehall. That's what I get out the dancehall genre, and that's why I've been so heavy on it lately. You just get tired of hearing the same shit all the time about drilling and dead ops and all that shit. Like, that's cool. I get it. Motherfuckers got beef. Like, I get it. I totally get it. But I don't want to hear that shit every day, man. It puts you in a certain type of mood. So then you see when I'm watching this video, damn near smiling ear to ear the whole time. The music is good. The message ain't even a negative message. Mostly he talking about getting money. He top G in a Bugatti. He made a song about a dude who's known because he gets money. Like, he's known for other things as well, but the reason he's even in this position to talk to the people he's talking to, talk to people like us and be the top G is because he getting money. Like, it is what it is. So shout out to Andrew Tate for giving Biggs a look, and maybe even putting him in a position. I don't know what type of business they did, but shout out to him for what he did do.
I see them like your Madis, designer gashi, and everything's on my bill and rearrange meal. Sorry, couple brick of road, me I carry spending fast, cause me have the money enough down lottery. Yeah, but that's a honey, make a girl laugh, and me bring it come little body, make a man stress. Maddy make a girl mad, body no dolly car, mad we at a man could never fall it. Never. Tate, fuck it, cut a left it tragic. No. Stacking it until I will be flipping money, does the brick top G in a these six and a kingfish. Spend the money, make it quick, chop, then chop, brick, stop, chop a artist. Get it out, get my flip, fudge, fling a brick, pan a bitch, makes you start drip. Yeah, me love life, where me live. Hard work, make me a cut, them a brick. Them a rich, top G in a Bugatti. We are tipping at the party. Cobra, girl, let them say she want me. Richer than the average sound, I feel look upon me. Young, I'm a sassy, still if I drown in the sense of the party. I'm girl, I suck you, she me cooking and see them like your Madis, designer gashi, and everything's on my bill and rearrange meal. Sorry, couple brick of road, me I carry spending fast, cause me have the money enough down lottery. Yeah, bad clocks and holly make a girl laugh, and me bring it come little body, make a man stress. Money make a girl mad, body no dolly can, mad at a man could never fall it. My fuck you cut a little tragic. Sorry, lifestyle don't cheap.
Man, hell yeah. That was hard. That song that's actually a really good song. Like, it's catchy. It's got a decent message with, as far as like it's nothing too negative in it, or nothing really negative at all that I heard, to where, it just couldn't be a it could be a hit. Realistically, that could be one of those songs that crosses the genres, where it's like, yeah, that's trap dancehall, but because it's met this group of people. Let me get rid of this shit. This would always throw me off. But because it met this group of people who have a pretty vast reach, as far as like even whether it's within their own community or, what I guess would be Red Pill or whatever you want to call it. I don't know. But whether it's within your own fan base and community, or the people that don't even like you that might find this song and just be like, okay, well, this is a cool song. But, like I said, man, shout out to Andrew Tate for seeing Biggs and like from where he saw him, which was on some random freestyle. It ain't random. It's a whole YouTube channel that does freestyles in Jamaica. But seeing him doing a freestyle in Jamaica, you know what I'm saying, on some regular stuff, like just in the streets of Jamaica, just rapping, to bro, he on a song with him now. Like, and he's not even an artist. This dude is not. He don't got nothing to do with music, so he must have really took a liking to what Biggs was doing, and appreciated, what they had going on to even jump into this little genre. So, hell yeah, man! I had to react to that. I seen it pop up. I was done. I was all the way done, and I seen it pop up. I was like, man, I'm about to watch it, so I might as well just react to it. But yeah, that was cool, man. It was Top G in a Bugatti. Andrew Tate featuring One Biggs Don is his name. They got Biggs Don on here, but it's One Biggs Don. So shout out them boys, man. Salute. I'm at the like button. I don't know Steve, so sorry, Steve. I can't quite subscribed to you yet, but I go check out some videos and see if I mess with you. I might subscribe. So yeah, man, that's your boy Raz, or I'm your boy Raz, yeah, and that's my pick for the night. Shit, that's the way I see it, man. We'll see y'all on the next one. Y'all be easy.